Vanakkam, good evening. Love light Reiki to one and all. This is Devi Seshadri. I do CTC seminars and workshops, consulting, counseling, training, and coaching. When I say about consulting in a life, wherever you go, first step of anything and everything is consultation. Be it a doctor, be it a lawyer, be it an auditor, or be it in a school, be it in a college, wherever you are, the first step is consulting. Without consultation, no one can do anything in professional or in family or in personal. So, in a life, that is why in a life, consultation is very, very important. Everything starts from the consulting. Consulting is nothing but one-to-one discussion and understanding about the need of the person. When you go to doctor, you have to say about what is that you are facing and what is that you need. It is not that want. There is a huge difference between need and want. When you go for a counseling, you want. When you go for a doctor and lawyer, even in an auditor, you go for a need basis. So you have to explain what is that you are facing and what is that your need. Then only neither a doctor or a lawyer or an auditor, whoever it is, they will analyze and let you know the solution. So same way I do. That is why the consulting is the very initial stage, whomever come to me. And then counseling. The counseling is nothing but understanding and analyzing your need and your problematic area. Definitely, I will guide you and make you to understand where are all the speed breakers and where are you committed the mistake. So how to remove the speed breaker and make you to understand all your mistakes and make you to forward on the smooth sailing road. That is counseling. Counseling, it is not that the person who really made some depression in his life or some psychological problem can only go and meet a counselor to overcome the problem. And most of the people are thinking counseling is only meant for the psychological problem. No, it is not like that. Counseling is meant for everyone, for every stage of life. Unless you don't talk openly to someone whom you trust, whom you are confident to discuss about your problems and whatever you are facing or whatever you are feeling about the situation. I mean it as a situation. Maybe it is a person to person. When you have a discussion with some of your relative, you may feel, depression. When you talk about some business problems, you may have that depression. So the depression causes you for the situational and the person to person, be it in a business, be it in workplace, being a student with your teacher or with your colleague, whoever it is, wherever it is, whatever the situation, that moment you into the deep problem and deep depression. So most of the time, and some of the people overcome that at that time basis, but it is always in the subconscious mind, which always bothers. So this botherization leads you for every stage of life on the trust issue. So you feel that already I have experience. You always compare the each and every situation whatever you faces with your past happened, and you will have that agitation and fear in your mind to approach the person, so that 100% you don't be a sincere person. I am not talking about trust. 100% you don't sincere to that situation, and you will be in a dilemma, and you do something, so you will get the sum of the result. So the counseling is very important to analyze your own self for every stage of your life. So counseling is very important. So I hope I made you to understand that why counseling is important in these stages of life. It is not that for the psychological problem person or a depression person or some of the habited person who has to go for a counseling who need mentor. It is not like that. Every stage of life, everyone needs mentor, because the present world, we have no trust with our own siblings, our own relatives, our own children, whomever it is. So the counseling is very important. And then when you come for the consultation and counseling, obviously you have to go for the training of some of the areas. It may be a life coaching, or it may be a life skilling, or it may be a business. Whatever it is, you need that training. So you opt for the training. And coaching is for that based on your need. And you want the person, you need a mentor for your life. So you can take me as a mentor, and every time, for every time, time to time, you can come for the guidance and assistance. So you make me as your mentor for the business life, family life, personal life, whatever it is, the life. I am there for you to coach you. So this is how my Kaushal Bhavya, Kaushal meaning skill. It is a Sanskrit word. Kaushal meaning skill. Bhavya meaning, greatness. So Kaushal Bhavya is the organizational name. Skill, greatness. Make you your skill great. That's how the English translation is skill grand. So D for a deed. I am doing a deed for someone's life and make you the better person, better you. So D skill, the skill grand. It's a the skill grand, D skill grand. So when you sign up with the D skill grand, you have the end-to-end solution, and from the amazing person, you make yourself from the average being, average person to amazing personality. To make you amazing personality, the fundamental of basic is this therapy. This therapy made you to feel humankind and human gesture. So Reiki. Reiki is the nothing but Japan name. It is a word. It's a Japan word. It's in Japan language. In English translation is life force energy. It is a energy. It is life force energy. In a life, we are living with an energy. Without energy, nothing is happening around the world. This is, everyone knows and everyone accepts. Prabanja Shakti in Tamil. Prabanja Shakti. Without Prabanja Shakti, nothing is, making life. Be it the living things or a non-living things. So living things and non-living things need some energy to make the life comfortable and make life survival. So survival of the life is the energy. So understanding that survival energy and the aligning that survival energy, it is that nothing but your radio frequency. When you are aligning of the radio frequency, you are able to listen different channels of radios and different channels of television and different channels of your video calling. Today, the technology is made you and different platform of channelizing and make you to enjoy the entertain for anything and everything, which is nothing but Prabanja Shakti. In technologically, when we talk about channel. It is science. So channel. When you able to align the channel properly, you able to receive signal properly, you can able to listen and entertain yourself and engage yourself properly. This is called Reiki. The alignment, channelizing, engaging yourself with the cosmos of universal energy and heal yourself time to time. This is science. This is called Reiki science. This is something about when most of the people are thinking about the moment I talk about Reiki, they are thinking about various of religious and spiritual organization and connecting to that, and they made them to understand in different level. I am telling you very clearly, please don't confuse yourself. Don't compare yourself with your previous experience wherever you went or wherever you have saw, wherever you have heard, whatever it is, please leave it. I am telling you this is nothing but a science, and I explained you very clearly. Engaging yourself, how you have to engage the energy by proper channelizing, by aligning yourself, enjoy throughout your life. So healing, the moment I talk about healing, healing is the English word. In Tamil, Gunamakudal. Gunamakudal, when I talk about Gunamakudal, when I talk about healing, it is nothing but time to time, situation to situation, everyone has to heal their own self. Because unless you don't heal, what happened? That event, that situation always bothers you. How to heal that situation, that event? How to heal that situation? Sorry. So how to heal that situation? By understanding this technique. From the cosmos, the energy is spread across positive energy and negative energy, because there is no positive and negative, there is no 0 and 1. The life is not possible at all in the earth. So this 0 and 1, this 0 and this 1, making these binary digits only making the entire things is happening. Likewise, this energy, positive energy and negative energy, is only making the life, aligning and tuning the channels properly, and make ourselves to enjoy, entertain, and live. So that is why my organizational name is Live Ease. Ease meaning simple living. So let me make you to understand what is Reiki, how it works. Level 1 is very much of self-healing and self-understanding, self-awareness. How Reiki works. Our health and well-being depending on with life force energy. The key, the word key is nothing but life force energy. Re meaning life. Key meaning force energy. So this ray and key, that life force energy around that make us to live, make us to breathe. So our body consists of physical and chemical elements. I hope you understand the science. So body is made up of physical and chemical elements and cells. So what happened? These cells automatically tap that energy and automatically make our body to function. It is automated. That's why thousands of cells, which is automated and which is exchanging the energy, transforming the energy every seconds. So this force, what happened? It flows automatically. This is happening automatically. But are we realizing that? Once you realize that and channelize yourself like 99.9, 101.2, 101.8, like that, the energy, if you are channelizing, you can able to have a proper channel enjoyment. How you are watching your television channels, how you are listening your radio channels, how you are doing your web channels, how you are doing this Zoom meeting or this live shows, everything is channelized. That is why you are able to connect one to one and connect multiple with that one frequency, with that one channel. So now you understand, with this one channel you are able to connect multiple of people and make them to channel, so that you can able to heal yourself time to time. So this human body consists of chemical elements as well as subtle energy system through the life, and force is flowing. This energy system is made up of energy field which surrounds and interrupts physical body. It is called the aura. So aura is your external body. So this aura is like your SIM card of your satellite, your electrical point which connects. So your aura outside the body, which always thin layer which surrounds you, and which is only connecting you to the energy. So it is like your plug. When this plug is plugged to the point, then energy, that electrical energy flows. Like that, your external body of this aura, which connects to the cosmos of energy, so that it transmits, it emits, it transmits, it exchange the energy force. That energy force is nothing but your thoughts, your feelings, and your belief, and your attitude. It is attitude is nothing but your behavior. So force, thought, feeling, and behavior, mind, body, emotions, and behavior. So these are all consist both positive and negative. It is also contains information, because it's a technology, right? Your body is also like your computer machine or whatever it is. So it's a technology. It states our physical body to internal personal dynamic, our past, our future, our potential, and much more and many more. That's how your body is working. Your hara is like plug point, which is connecting, which is plugging to the cosmos energy, which takes the energy. It body does not know, because it is a hardware. It does not know which energy to take, which energy to leave, and how to balance. It takes everything, because non-living. So it takes. What happens the moment it takes, automatically cells and everything will collaborate, physical and chemical reaction happens. Automatically it happens for transformation and exchange. Transformation and exchange. Transformation and exchange. That is how one is connecting to the one person and attracting that person energy. So they intend to react. The anger, the emotion which is coming to intend to react. Reacting. That's how the system works. Our human body anatomy system is working. Therefore, it flows for energy and restricts the flow of the force of the energy, which affects our energy field. All negative throughout the feelings. An example causes the disturbance. Disruption and disturbance is flows. The great value of Reiki is that because of the intelligence and guidance. So what happens when you become a Reiki channel? You start effectively working your sixth sense, the sixth brain. That is your intelligent software. That intelligent software make you to behave and conduct yourself with a self-awareness person, self-healing person, and the sixth sense work effective and efficient. So you become a human being. Because this mechanical body is enforced flow of the force of energy. Once you become a Reiki channel, what it happens is restricted. It filters. The moment it filters, you get the pure electricity, right? So filtering is very important for any mechanical device. It works. Reiki works as your filter. Reiki works as your supplement. What is that supplement? All your supplement are your vitamins, minerals, whatever it is, which helps you to make your human body healthy. So supplement. Fights therefore our physical body, all negative thoughts and feelings and everything will eliminate. Reiki flows through the unhealthy area and breaks up the energetic abstraction. And it clears, it cleans, so that it cleans day to day, time to time. It clears and makes you filters. Therefore, it allows you for the optimal flow of life energy, and this resumes and it happens unhealthy physical organs and tissues become healthy. It cleansing happens, filters happens, and tapping happens, energy attraction happens. So Now, I hope you understand about Reiki, how it works. So what happened? It removes your obstacles and removes your speed breakers and make you to smooth flow. So problem, if you have a problem of sleeping, it goes off. It is the energy down, it get energy recharge. Time to time, you get your energy recharge. Physical illness, it goes. And difficulty in being able to understand. Under maturity is nothing but understanding. So understanding of each and every situation and each and every person and conduct your life and yourself, that self-awareness. So this is how you are experiencing the Reiki. And facts and facts of Reiki is that some key points about Reiki, more details in main article. Okay, you can go through my website. Reiki format the energy therapy. So since it formats the therapy, what happened? It heals you hara level and internal body level. Internal organs will get healed. How internal organs will get? Because there are main portion and main, we have some 165 chakras in our bodies, but there are main 7 chakras. So these 7 chakras always get healed and balanced by practicing day-to-day giving release Reiki. These 7 chakras are connected to your entire body, left and right, and organs. How your energy flows? Your energy flow like this. Energy flow in vertical anti-clockwise and horizontal clockwise. Horizontally, it works on the clockwise, and vertically, it works on anti-clockwise. That's how you are able to balance yourself to walk in the earth, and you are able to balance yourself to do the energy matching. That is why earth is the best place to live. It is not that we have a water, we have a oxygen. That is why we are living. Please understand that more than a water and oxygen, you have to balance, you have to walk, you have to sit. Everything has to be not in the motion. Everything has to be stabilized manner. That is why earth is making that stability. That is why we are living in the earth. Why we are not living in other planet? Because other planet does not have that support of frequency matching, energy matching. Only earth makes you to frequency and energy match. That is why we are living in the earth. So this is how Reiki works, and this is the introduction of Reiki. And let me tell you the introduction of program. This is 3-4 level of program. If you want to be a grandmaster like me, and you have to go for the stage and practice of level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, 5 like that. And practice, once you are a medical practitioner, or you are a lawyer practitioner, or you are a chartered accountant practitioner, or you are an information technology practitioner, or you are a teacher, whatever profession you are into, you need to have a practice. Unless until practice is not there, you will not be in the professional forum. The same way, you have to practice every day this Reiki. Then only you can able to charge and discharge yourself properly, because you are the satellite. The moment you channelize yourself with the Atmas, what happens? You become a satellite for your own self. You become a rocket for your own self. The moment you are a satellite, what happens? You need to match that energy. Then only your aura matches, your channel matches. You can have uninterrupted, proper aligned channel to listen and enjoy the rhythm of music. The same way, you need to practice for that. If you practice regularly, you are balancing your chakra so that your cleansing process is happening day to day. Since the cleansing is happening day to day, chakras are balanced, organs are balanced. Healing is happening time to time, time to time. Since healing is happening time to time, you become self-aware person. The moment you become self-awareness person, what is the biggest advantage? You know about yourself, and you know how to heal yourself. You know how to heal event. You know how to forgive, and you know you receive the blessings, and you understand the blessings. You become amazing personality of complete sixth sense, running sixth sense, influencing sixth sense, effective, efficient working person. The moment effective of sixth sense working person, you become a human being. Got the point? That is how Reiki makes you as a human being, self-awareness person. So Reiki science, I spoke about Reiki science already. It is nothing but the cosmos. It's a quantum physics. For understand about Reiki science, please go through my website www.liveease.in, Liveease, liveease.in, where I briefly explained about Reiki science and what is Reiki and